now the starting lineups for the Carolina Hurricanes. On the bench, number 4, Andre Sekera. Number 27, Justin Paul. And forward, number 39, Patrick Dwyer. And forward, number 14, Nathan Curry. And center, number 11, Jordan Staal. And in goal, number 35, Justin Peters. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the ice tonight's rematch starter of the game, Jason Burns with the Carolina Lightning Lights. This time, Jason will skate straight on the Carolina Hurricanes during the 6th-hour national anthem. Rematch for all the things that move you. Ladies and gentlemen, please turn your attention to the ice as the Air Force Color Guard from the 337th Recruiting Squadron in Raleigh presents tonight's colors. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise and respectfully join the Hurricanes players, coaches, and staff as Hurricanes anthem singer Miss Amanda Kessel honors the United States of America and all veterans in attendance tonight with the singing of our national anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and brown